My mom is fed up. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this vlog you're gonna see a day out with my parents. I know board exams are going on, so but still I just want to go out with my parents. So it's a day out with the parents. So my mom got a holiday. She got holiday. Okay, so we are going to Ikea. Like, I never been there, so I wanted to go there. So my parents also said we have to go there because we have to organize our house and all. Like everything should be perfect now, so we can go there and get some ideas. So it's my first time going to Ikea also. So let's go see. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Then only you will get chocolate, bro. Then what will you get chocolate? You won't get chocolate only. You DM me for chocolate in Insta page. If you subscribe and show me a screenshot that you subscribed to my YouTube channel and DM me in Insta and send me that screenshot and I'll give you a chocolate. Okay guys, go like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. My beautiful fans, I love you. I know who's my fans. Okay, so love you guys. Let's go to the video. So guys, currently I don't know what to wear for the Ikea outfit, so I'm just wearing this top, but I got these pants. These are super cool pants. Look how the designs are so fucking cool. But let's see for the top, like should I wear churidar or something? Let's see, based on my mood. So let's see my closet. My closet looks so I don't have clothes. I think I'm just going to wear this outfit. It's kind of like a churidar and a skirt. Like it's super cute and it's super cute. I wore this when I went to meet my boyfriend. This is so cute. And this was my first churidar wearing when like in my teen. And this was the outfit which I wore with my boyfriend to meet him. I wore this. So this one, I think, yeah, it's fine. I'll wear this. It's cute though. I'm struggling to get an outfit. Oh God. Never mind, I'm gonna wear that. So guys, you see, I got ready. My outfit is on. So yeah, I have to comb my hair, do my skincare, makeup and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, I'm going to show it. This brush is really good. You can just twist it and the needles goes inside, and if you can twist it in the other side, your needles will be back, so you can brush your hair, because this helps when you have hair falls. So all of your brushes are like very different, like all the hairs get stuck and you have to like pluck it, but this is not like that. This is really good one. I love this comb. And if the hair was inside this, you can see some hairs. You can just twist it and take out the hairs. So no dirt, nothing. Simple, easy what's up. Okay. I'm just going to put a ponytail because I want to do my skincare. This is the serum which I'm using. So the serum is going to be on my face. Serum is really good though. I love the serum. It's a glow serum. I need the pigment serum. So I have to put the pigment serum first, but I'm putting the glow serum because I don't want to miss out. But at least I can get the glow. But guys, don't do like me. Please buy the pigment serum, then use glow serum. Soon I'm going to get pigment serum. Soon. Very soon. And this is the lip balm, which is really good, and it hydrates your lips and remove the pigment in your lip, all the dry things here. So I got it new, so I'm just applying it for 1 week, I guess. No result, but let's see for another week because I was giving some gap. I'm using the sunscreen cream, the from Plum. It's really good one. I love this. You have to put sunscreen because it's sunny out there. So this one is FPF 15A plus. It's a good sunscreen. You guys must have to try this sunscreen. It's not sticky also. It's not sticky. It's not even sticky. It is so like lightweight and it's really good. You guys have to use this sunscreen. It's really good. High quality sunscreen. So you can see the glow, the sunscreen spray. I'm not going to use it for my face because I'm just using it on my hands. And some my mic and my neck. That's all. Got the primer. I have to search for the primer. It's from Fit Me, Maybelline. I'm still seeing. This is really good. I love this. Even though guys, if I see any product, don't worry, I will recommend you guys because these are be honest in makeup stuff because I'm allergic to west side skincare, but Indian skincare is suitable for my skin. So I stopped using west side, like from west people. So Indian skincare is really good. I love Indian skincare. So I'm trying my best. I'm going to stop one product. Don't think guys, this skincare is just for basic. Just a foundation for our face. So just do basic makeup, which I learned alone. When I was alone, I was learning basic makeup for going out for regular things. So I got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Gel. Okay, guys, as you see, this is my first time sponsoring a foundation from Maybelline, New York. I'm not a makeup person, but this foundation is literally a mouth dropping. This foundation is literally gave me a lifesaver. I used to put heavy makeup, but now I'm putting a basic makeup I can put every day, college, school, functions, holidays, and with friends, anything you can I can literally wear this foundation and go. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Polish Finish 16 hours oil control foundation SPF 22 PA double plus 330. This is really good foundation. Look at me the way I'm tapping it, and you can clearly see my dark circles are covering a little bit, and my acne spot is also covering, and all my dark spots are literally covered in a second after a one dab. And this foundation is a lifesaver for you guys, but please do try. This is available in Blinkit and Instamart in a small pocket friendly where you can carry it anywhere anytime, and you can just take out the foundation and just apply it and tab it all over your face wherever the dark spots are there. But I make sure this should not be continuing because you have to take your intakes also to cover all those naturally dark spots. So this is just a lifesaver foundation. So I'm just recommending you guys, please do try this foundation from Maybelline New York. It's a good one, and I would literally say, trust me, guys, this foundation is really good. And this is my first time sponsoring a Maybelline foundation, so and I love this foundation. Love you guys. Thank you. Like you can see, like the spots are covered a little bit, but yeah, this is how the basic makeup. So next is same Maybelline Fit Me. So the powder. Don't forget to put the powder because it's going to be into oily face. So we always have to put powder because I don't want to have a oily face and sweaty face. And I don't want to have a dry and oily face because I hate those. I want like basic hydrated face. Eyeshadow. I'm putting the brown. I'm putting the brown because it's a basic makeup. I'm not gonna put too grand and all because I don't want to be too grand because I'm not going for a function. I'm just going for an Ikea to see how the furnitures are. So still have to be looking good when I'm going out. Next I need to put kajal, eyeliner, kajal. Got the kajal. I'm using the kajal from Maybelline, New York. Everything from Maybelline, New York. Okay, make me a model in Maybelline, New York. I wanna be a model. Told I wanna be face of Zudio. I wanna be Maybelline, New York's face of cover. Coming to mascara, this is my favorite mascara and new one. I'm not using the old one. This is really good, the Mars. I have length, volume and all because they have step 1, step 2. That's crazy, right? I know, right? It's crazy. A little bit, not too much. It's going to like rise more higher. Yeah, many times I got hurt by this, like many times. Oh, it's perfect. So first I'm going to use step 1. Okay, guys, this is the second sponsor video for this mascara. This is really good mascara. It has step 1, step 2. Step 1 is length, step 2 is volume. This is really a good mascara. It gives you a length and a volume at the same time if you use this 2 steps in this mascara. My sisters were literally obsessed with this mascara, and this is available in Blinkit and Instamart. Do try this, guys. This is really good from Marks, and I love this mascara from other mascaras. So all the Indian girls have to try this, and all the American girls who sees this video, please do try this mascara. Thank you. Mascara. Then next is the lip. I'm just gonna apply some lip liner. Next is the gloss. So, guys, in the middle of the shoot, my parents just barged in, so I just hopped the mic. And so, these jumkas are literally matching with my outfit, and I literally love this. And I tried to leave my hair and see how it looks. So, I was just untying my hair and I was just talking some rubbish there. So, look at how this jumkas are matching to my outfits and my hair, and I think these jumkas are really good. I got these jumkas in Kamnali, and do try and come to Kamnali, guys. They have good jumkas. Look at Kavita. No, everyone stays away from me. They want to see what a gap. No one wants to come and sit next to me. You see, no one.
Don't say.
No one.
Your father, mother.
Oh, you see, my own mother.
Why? Of course, I can't sit properly.
See,
You come.
You come.
Very clever child.
I come.
What
That's
I
all.
come. I come.
You come. I come. Okay, guys, we are going to Ikea. Let's go. Guys, we reached. My mom is getting down. சந்திரமன் வந்து வேலை ஏன்னா அவங்க 2 பேரை தானே விளாகில் இருக்காங்க. சந்திரமா சாப்பிடுவோம். இந்த இது எடுத்துக்கோமா. Getting down. யாரு? See here guys, they are taking photo and all. Wow. எல்லாம் பார்க்குறாங்க கவிதா. பார்த்து கூட என்ன பேசணும். All are seeing guys because I feel உள்ளவே பார்த்து தவிர நல்லா இருக்கும். So we're going inside, so let's go see what's there inside. Guys, we are going in metro. My mom is fed up. We are going in metro. It looks so scary, this alley. Something fell and we are going metro. So guys, my dad is here, my mom is there. So they're such a lazy people. I don't care. We have Ikea. So we're going to come next month for the shopping. We just came for window shopping. Yeah, let's go guys. People are staring at me like a weird. As if we've never seen the world. Never mind. Look at the Ikea. Mama, April 10th ku da exam unda. Enik exam ma. Metro guys, we're going to metro. Hi Salma. Where my bag? This checking got over. We have to get tickets. Ticket? Chennai metro looks different, Kavita. Chennai metro different. Bangalore metro is very different. This is my 5th time coming in metro in Bangalore. Guys, we are going for adu anga podna exit la. So we are going for MG Road. From MG Road, we are going to get auto and go home. Two inna varvonde. Illa or valiya yosikkum. Fine. மம்மியோட ரியாக்ஷன் பார்க்கணும் கைஸ். கேமராவில் வந்து அப்படியே அங்கே வாய் பிகாஸ் தட்ஸ் கால் மதர்ஸ், இந்தியன் மதர்ஸ். லைட் போடணுன்னா சொல்லுக்கா, இதை லைட் போடுறேன், அழகாக இருக்குங்க. பரவாயில்ல, லைட் போட்டேன். அடே கைஸ், நம்ம எலிவேட்டரில் போகிறோம். எலிவேட்டர் So we finished doing an Ikea. Nana Maria. My dad also needs some Crocs like me. Oh, metro station we came, guys. Ma, Ushar, my doma stick out the collar. Collar almost stick out the guys. So metro the one to guys. Singapore guys. Metro peoples. Oh yeah. Guys, my parents are thinking that metro is my first time. Metro first time எங்க டாடி நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு. But basically it's my 5th time of going in metro. So I don't care. அதுவும் அதே தான், இங்கேயும் அதே தான். நீ உக்கார். சத்தியாக எங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸை உக்கார வைக்கணும் guys. அப்போ தான் எனக்கு ஹியூமனிட்டிஸில் பேர் வரும். Okay guys, the metro is fully empty. We are in Nagasandra. இப்போ கேமரா கிளியராக வருது. We are in Nagasandra. We have to go to MG Road. We have more 5 minutes. Oh my god, I can't wait any longer. Very weird. Guys, we finally reached home because we missed so many metro stations. Literally, I hate my dad for this. He told we'll go for metro, and that metro thing was very bad. So I didn't vlog because people were looking at us because we missed one train. We went off to Lal Bagh. Instead of going to MG Road, we went to Lal Bagh. I don't know what to do. Guys, so I have come back from home, from Ikea. So this is my outfit. So yeah, I'm going to sleep. So I'm gonna remove my makeup. So how was the day? It was good. And I was bored though. Wait, okay, so basically this is the makeup remover liquid. So yeah, it was quite of good. Ikea was good, but at least I got some ideas to what to design in our new house, guys. That is more satisfying, you know. Like I got some idea, so like I can design anything I want in my room, kitchen. So it's my first time in Ikea. You can go check my Insta. I took some photos there. I clicked some photos. It's really good. I love Ikea. Now I want to shop in future also in Ikea. I want a future. Like I want, if I get a small apartment also, I want to like go there and just vlog. I should just go have fun in Ikea. Ikea is really good. Please go try whoever you went. Oh my god, lots of makeup. Is my father's cheated. You're putting some maida maav. But it was kind of good though. But it was so annoying, you know, guys. What happened today? We forgot to go for MG Road. We went off to Jayanagar. We thought it was Chennai Metro and we thought it's the last stop there. So So we got down there and people was laughing. Then my mom was laughing. So much of drama happened in one day. I'm fully sad. I think I'm going to get my periods, menstruation. So it's really going to be tough. Done. I removed makeup. Oh my god. Yes, I will just use some wet wipes so I can wipe my face. This wet wipes. Oh, this is the cucumber wet wipes. It's real. It smells so good. I like this wet wipes. It's like I wash my face. I'm so lazy to go wash my face. Still makeup is there. I removed my earrings also. All set. I look so fresh. Oh, I look this fine. Done. With the same serum I'm gonna put. So it was actually good, guys. So I think probably we'll be going shopping there. Shopping there for some girl, like any items, like all the kitchen items. We're going to just throw all this kind of shits and we're going to buy everything from Ikea because every supplies are so good. I love Ikea. I want to go purchase everything there. I saw that monkey there, that monkey which the viral thing was going there. That one I saw, that was so good. I was like begging my mom to buy me that, but I hope someone gives me that. I will be really thankful for you guys. Please give me that. I want that so badly. I want that monkey fun show or something you guys call it. Oh, that is low. Actually having fun there. I wish it's near somewhere in Kamnali or something because so far, bro. What is this? So far. Body mist is really helpful for my body. It smells so good, like 24 hours. You have to try from Aqualogica body mist. Okay guys, see you next